What it is, yo? Oh, what's up? Don't be a hater. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave them comments down below. What up, YouTube? It's your girl, Natalia, President. And yes, my last name really is President. And I'm back today bringing you another Self-Care Sunday series video. For today's Self-Care Sunday series video, I will be doing clear skin hacks that cost $0. You heard me correct. Cost $0. And it's for all ages. So without further ado, let's get into today's video and let me share with you the amazing clear skin hacks that cost $0 and it's for all ages. Hack number 1, putting an ice cube on your face and body. Like, a lot of people don't understand the benefits of that and they're probably thinking like, this is so weird. But yes, the ice cubes that you actually add to a drink actually really have a lot of benefits for your skin. So when I tell you guys, you can literally apply it onto your skin every single day. It's gonna help reduce dark circles. That's how it helps reduce mine a lot. It helps reduce acne. It helps with your pores. Like, it literally helps with so much. It helps where your skincare products actually absorb better to your skin. It helps with puffiness under the eyes, helps reduce wrinkles, help you get the overall natural glow. It helps blood flow. Like, I'm telling you guys, an ice cube a day will keep your skin flawless, and I mean legitimately flawless, okay? Hack number 2, steam your skin. You do not have to go out and buy an expensive steamer. I'm gonna give you the free way to steam your skin. All you have to do is take some water, pour it into a bowl or a pot. You can either heat it up over the stove or you can put it in the microwave for a few minutes. Go sit down and literally let your skin absorb it in, or you can take a rag, soak up the water, let it get kind of steamy and let it steam onto your face. However you want to do it. I just sit over, of course, a bowl and let it just literally, my skin will absorb it in, and it is amazing. Your skin's gonna start looking brighter. It's gonna have a nice glow. Everyone should be steaming. If you're not, you're missing out. Hack number 3, make sure the last 1 to 5 minutes of your shower, you turn the water from warm or hot to cold. And I know a lot of people are thinking this is something crazy, but listen and hear me out. Cold water, the last couple minutes of your shower, make a big difference in your skin and your overall health. Just the last 1 to 5 minutes. It makes it where you're more alert, you have a faster metabolism, and you have a boosted mood and a stronger immune system. And a lot of people with the whole COVID going on and just being sick overall, especially with the season change, you definitely need a strong immune system. And of course, the best benefit of it all, especially for the athletes, people that have bad backs, that are sore, have bad joints, this can also help with reducing of your pain. So if anything, try it. 1 shower, 1 to 5 minutes, and just see how you experience all of these amazing benefits just from doing it. Hack number 4, facial massages. So when you are giving yourself, obviously, a facial, or for instance, doing your regular schmegular skincare routine, you obviously want to add a facial massage into it because of the simple fact it can help boost blood flow and oxygen into your skin, and it can also help with reducing any puffiness and help with obviously the collagen level, which means helping with the wrinkles and giving you a brighter overall tone and complexion to your skin. And we all want to glow, especially since it's now the season change and a lot of people in the wintertime do not have that nice glow. So might as well add the facial massage into your skincare routine and make sure you have that nice bright tone and complexion and your skin's just overall glowing. Stop. Wait a minute, it's time for the freebies. Self-Care Sunday series always has a freebie attached to it. So without further ado, I need for you guys to stop what you're doing, screenshot right now that you have liked this video, you're subscribed to the channel, and DM me the code word Rose Gold. That is so you can get a free Rose Gold royalty face mask. Make sure you send me the code Rose Gold so that you can get your free Rose Gold from Natalia's Magic Skincare. So let's continue this video. Hack number 5, try sleeping on your back versus on your stomach or on your side, because laying on your face and pretty much having the pillowcase pattern or whatever it is that you're laying on give you sun impression on your face. It's literally going to cause it to be folded and cause wrinkles. So if you can, it's best to sleep on your back, and also any products that you use right before bed, you don't have to worry about them being on your pillowcase or anything like that. Sleeping on your back is just the best way to give your skin an overall break and make sure nothing is on it, nothing is pressed against it, and nothing is causing wrinkles or for it to fold. Hack number 6 is actually going to be yoga. And no, you do not have to do a full-on out routine or actual full-on out class, but if you could just 3 to 5 minutes a day do a downward dog, it's gonna literally help promote blood flow to your skin, and that's going to be super duper beneficial. So just 3 to 5 minutes a day, a downward dog, and I'm telling you, you're going to see the difference in your skin. Hack number 7, make sure you drink enough water. A lot of people say that they don't even know what they're supposed to be drinking. You're supposed to be drinking half of your body weight. So for instance, if you weigh 140 pounds, you need to be drinking 70 ounces. Of course, not 70 pounds of water, but whatever you weigh, you want to do half of that in ounces. So if you weigh 140 pounds, you want to do 70 ounces of water a day. If you weigh 200 pounds, you need to do 100 ounces of water per day. Whatever your body weight is, you're going to cut that in half and you're gonna put it in ounce form, and that's what you need to be having of intake of water per day. Last hack of the day, the best hack. Hack number 8 is to reduce your stress. This is something that I've struggled with. This is something that I'm still struggling with, and I'm actually going to make a video on that. Comment down below if you want me to make a video on how I reduce my stress and how actually, because I have really bad anxiety, really bad stress issues. Like when I tell you guys, I am the queen of stressing, so I can help you reduce your stress because that's something that I actually battled with and that's something I'm still battling with till today. But comment down below if you want me to make a video on that. But anywho, hack number 8, reducing your stress. So if you want to do a longer bath, if you want to meditate, if you want to read a book, whatever relaxes you, that's what you need to do, because you need to reduce your stress, because you cannot have clear skin if you're stressing. Okay? No matter how amazing the products are, you cannot have clear skin if you're stressing. Period. Thanks so much for tuning in to my clear skin hacks that cost $0 for all ages. Make sure you DM me the code word so that you can get your freebie that was mentioned earlier in the video. Thanks so much for supporting me. Keep subscribing to the channel, keep sharing the videos, keep liking, keep reposting. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm gonna keep the videos coming if y'all keep the support coming. All right, we out. Bye.